In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in Monday.com. Inviting guests is really helpful when you want clients, contractors, or external partners to see and interact with a specific board without giving them access to your entire account. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and I'll also point out what to look out for along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, you need to make sure the board you're working on is a shareable board. Guests can only be invited to shareable boards, not private or main ones. So, start by opening the board where you want to bring in your guest. At the top of the screen, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that, then choose Board Settings. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Change Board Type. Go ahead and select that, and then switch the board type to shareable. Once that's done, your board is now ready to accept guest invitations. Next, you'll open the Invite menu. Still on the same board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an invite or person icon there. This is the shortcut to manage who has access to your board. Click on that icon to bring up the Invite panel. This panel is where you'll control who can view or collaborate on the board. Now you're ready to add your guest's email. In the Invite panel, there will be a search or input bar where you can type an email address. Carefully type in the email of the person you want to invite as a guest. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling here, because if there's a typo, the invitation won't reach the right person. Once the email is entered correctly, look for the option that says Invite as a new guest. Click that, and Monday.com will send an invitation email to that address. The person you invited will receive a link giving them access to this board only, not to any other boards in your workspace. That way, you stay in control of what external people can see and edit, and that's it. By converting your board to a shareable board, opening the Invite menu, entering the guest's email, and sending the invite, you can easily collaborate with people outside your team while keeping the rest of your workspace private and secure.